everyone, this is MeiYu and welcome to another Fan Friday video on my MeiYuArt channel. Check out 600 plus drawing tutorials on my Fun2draw channel. If you want more advanced drawing tutorials, you can see this playlist. For easier anime and manga tutorials, you can see this. And for my cute and easy Fun2draw tutorials and doodles, you can see this playlist. I hope my different art can help you expand your creativity and drawing skills in different ways. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute Fun2draw Deadpool step by step. Okay, so first let's start with a big shape for the head. I'll start with a nice curve like this. So that's for the forehead area. And once I have the curve done, let's draw a smaller curve for the cheek, just right underneath. And then from this line, I want to extend that, go across, and then all the way up towards the side. Okay, like that. Once we have this big line and the wide one over here, let's go up here. I'll just extend this a little bit higher. And then I want to draw a little point going up just slightly. I won't make it too long, and then I'll go right back down like that. Okay, now for this side of the head, I'll just make it a big curve. So let's go around, keep curving, and then I want to join up with this line right there. Okay, so our chibi Deadpool has a really nice big head, which is excellent. Now let's get into those big Fun2draw eyes. So let's start with a curve on the cheek right here. And then from this curve, let's go up. Imagine a line going up, and I'll dot the spot right there, so that's where the top of the eye is going to be. From this dot, let's go as a curve down like this. Followed by another curve going down this way, like that. Okay, now for another curve, let's draw it right here, so this will be part of the side of the eye. And because of the design of the character, we don't need to draw the pupil or the highlight inside, we'll just keep the eye white like this. Okay, so once we have one eye done, let's go into the other side, right here. So again, just a nice little cheek curve, go up, and then draw the 3 curves for the Fun2draw eye. So here's one, and then 2 more on this side. Okay. And don't worry if your drawing doesn't look exactly what you think it should look like, or if it doesn't look like mine, then that's perfectly fine. As long as you're just practicing drawing, just keep it up and you'll get better and better. Okay, so we have the 2 big Fun2draw eyes. Excellent. Now for the designs in his mask. So let's go up here. I'll dot the spot so it's kind of right above the tip of the eye. And then from this dot, I want to draw a curved line going back towards the back part of the head. Okay, now for this part, I want to go down towards the middle of the face, but not exactly all the way across. I just want to stop maybe right around there. So we have this nice little distance between the line and the eye. And then I want to draw another line that curves down towards the cheek line. Let's do the same thing on this side, and it's facing the other way, and I want to go back towards the head but not all the way, and then I want to curve down. Okay, so something like that, and draw a little bit more on the bottom like this. So we have a rounded diamond shape around the eye, and then just draw one more line going towards the bottom. Okay, so that's a really nice simplified way to draw the different designs in that area. And on this side, again, just dot the spot right above the tip of the eye. Draw a curved line going towards the back. And then draw another line. And this time this line can touch the side of the face because of how the head is turned. Okay, so once we have that, let's go down to the other side. And I don't want these two to touch. I want to keep a gap in there, in between them. Okay, and then followed by another little curved line just to finish up that diamond shape. Okay, and then one more little curved line right down there. Okay, excellent. So we have his head all done, and for the body I want to simplify it like my other Fun2draw characters. And I'll keep the body and the limbs quite short for a cute look. So here comes an arm. It's going to be outstretched. And an easy way to draw a cartoon hand is to start with a small curve like that. Looks like a letter C for the thumb. And then from this, I'll draw another curved line going up. So that's one finger. And basically I just want to repeat the curves. So here's another one, two, and two more curves like that. So we have the fingers, and the palm is just a curved line going from the thumb towards the last finger. So like that. Oh, it's a really nice way to draw a cartoon hand. Okay, so once we have that, let's go towards the front of the body. I'm drawing a line going down like this, not too long. And then the other side goes down like that. Okay, and then let's draw part of the leg. Just like the arm, I'll keep it short for a cute look. So it's a slight curve, and then the foot comes right around here. Draw another curve going up, and then let's draw another curve going into the other leg. Okay, and then the foot like that. Okay, we're almost done the basic parts of the body, so one more arm to go. Let's add it right here with these two short lines coming out. And then similar to what we did before here, let's start with the thumb. This time is like a backwards C, spacing the other way, and then the little fingers. Followed by the palm. Okay, now let's draw a few details inside the body to make this look more like the character. So I'm going to begin with a circle right here for the belt. And because the design, I want to keep it simpler for more of you to follow along, I won't draw every single little detail inside these little things. So I'll just draw a little circle inside the belt and then draw the strap going around the body. And then followed by a few little simple pockets or little compartments on the belt. Okay, and now a few little details around the arm, so I want to draw two curved lines right here, followed by a third one. And then I'll just draw the one curve right here because of the body and how it's being positioned. You're not going to see all of the lines in there. Followed by another curve right there on the arm. Okay, and then simplifying the things in the leg, so maybe just two curved lines right there on each side. And then one more for the foot. And then for the designs in the suit, I'll just draw like a letter L right here. And then it goes down into the belt, and then out, like that. Followed by the other side here, so a backwards L, going down into the belt, and then onto the leg and out. Okay, and he does have these cool swords in behind him, so let's draw a little bit of the handle sticking out. So here's one, and I'll draw some little designs inside for texture. And the other side, you can just barely see it. It's poking out right there. So he's got these two in the back. And for fun, I think I'll just add a little heart. Aww, Deadpool loves you. Okay, so let me know how you feel about this tutorial, and if you want me to show you how to draw other types of things, please let me know your requests in the comments. I will try to get to the ones I can. There we go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to follow my new videos, and I'll see you next time.